Hello guys, welcome to A3Cat Gadget once again. Today I'll be showing you a few steps on how you can easily create a Wise account in simple step. You are going to need an email, your phone number, and other details to verify this. In my subsequent video, I'll be showing you how to verify your account and how to get a US banking account that you can put on your KDP, Amazon FBA, on your Upwork account, etc. etc. So let's go into it right now. As you can see, I'm using a personal account. I only had experience with a personal account, so I'll be using personal accounts. I'll be putting my email here. Okay, I'm creating a password. Okay, ensure your password is alphanumeric, which means your password has to be you can see say now secure, then say claim your free transfer. Okay, Wise is a very fast platform and efficient platform. I recommend to any freelancer out there. So I'll be changing this to Nigeria, which is 23. Okay, so let me quickly use one number. Let me get the number I'm using. Okay, so you don't need to include the first zero. Okay, good. So send verification. Okay, I should receive the code in a very short time. Okay, the code is here. So because I had issue with people saying they can't sign up on Wise, that Wise removed Nigeria from it. No, 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 no. You know, TransferWise, when it was TransferWise, I could testify that their service was terrible. Because then I tried to transfer from my Pioneer into the TransferWise account, and to withdraw to my local dome, it was terrible. I had to call them out and they have to refund the money back to my account. So now the account creation is good now. If you want to send somebody, you could actually attach your Naira Mastercard, Mastercard or Dollar Mastercard to your Dome account. Decide later. Oh, okay, so we are good now. We are good. This is just what the accounts look like. In my next video, I'll be showing you step on how to verify it, how to add money, how to get US bank details. The moment you get the US bank details, you can also get the other bank details. I don't know what is wrong with my network. This should not be loading. Before you continue, you have to go into your email so that you can confirm your email address. So that's what I'm doing now. Email verification. Okay, verifying my email. Okay, good. It says okay, good. Continue to Wise. So you come here, you go to finish account setup. This personal. Okay, this is where I have to fill all this in full. I'm going to fill all this in full now, but I will be pausing this before I do that.